Asset tokenization is changing the world. It's revolutionizing how we manage and track assets. This is especially true for supply chains. Imagine a world where you know exactly where a product came from and how it got to you. Every step along the way is automatically recorded and verified. That's the promise of asset tokenization. This technology allows us to represent physical assets digitally. Think of it like a digital twin for a product. This digital representation can then be used to track the asset throughout its entire life cycle. This brings transparency and efficiency to complex systems. The first generation of asset tokenization focused on digitizing assets by creating basic tokens on a blockchain. This was a major step forward. It showed how blockchain can make it easier to trade and manage assets. But it also has some fundamental flaws. The tokens on traditional blockchains are fairly limited to only designating the asset itself in a basic wallet. This doesn't provide any necessary business information about the token or wallet, somewhat defeating the purpose for the tokenization effort. Also, traditional smart contracts are very rigid and cannot adapt to dynamic business conditions. Things can quickly change in business, for example. Shipments can get delayed anywhere along the supply chain. While blockchain is an amazing tool for transparency, immutability, and security, it doesn't efficiently store complex business data, and blockchain doesn't access off-chain data in a standardized fashion. However, Asset Tokenization 2.0 fixes these things and takes them even further. This next-generation leap forward uses advanced technologies and data frameworks that basic blockchain cannot provide. This allows for even greater parallels with how business operates in the real world and extends the immutability, security, and transparency features of first-generation blockchain. The Conduit Network is at the forefront of this revolution. As a decentralized physical infrastructure network, also called a DePIN, it's the platform that specifically enables Asset Tokenization 2.0. The Conduit Network provides a secure and transparent way to track and manage not just the tokenized asset itself, but also the discrete rights and obligations associated with that asset. It tracks who legally owns the asset, who has the right to possess it at any given time, and who has the right to use it for something specific. All tied to the real-world legal contracts and business processes managed by a synchronized accounting ledger that enables real-time audit. This has massive implications for supply chains. With the Conduit Network, businesses can track products from origin to consumer. This helps prevent fraud and counterfeiting. It also allows for better inventory management and reduced waste. And it ultimately unleashes new forms of trade finance and financial instruments to help with operating costs. 10XTS is a leader in asset tokenization solutions. 10XTS has advanced how it solves problems for clients by building Asset Tokenization 2.0 solutions with the Conduit Network. As more businesses embrace the power of the next generation, we can expect to see even greater efficiency and transparency in supply chains around the world. This will benefit businesses, consumers, and the global economy as a whole. If you're considering asset tokenization as part of your supply chain data management, contact the team at 10XTS to discuss your vision. We're ready to build the future with you. The time to get started is now.